All right, three,
Oh,
two.
like, where are you streaming?
I'm streaming how to play this level so I can teach people how to play it.
Oh. What
Did you make the
I'm gonna try to get a world record of more seconds than ever.
fuck yeah? Demon! Yippee!
Yippee!
Yippee! I'm at Xbox party now, and have a Discord call at the same time.
Mess up. Hold up. 285. Oh my. 2853.
Go move steadily
What?
so I can have this like attractive camo.
Too easy.
Okay, no, I'ma die. Nuh-uh.
Nuh-uh.
Fucking nuh-uh, for real.
Okay.
I was close from dying.
Oh my god. Bruh.
Just get in the hole.
Get in the hole.
I
Why do you say
can.
that?
I can't. Like,
Get in the hole.
finally.
Oh, there we go.
82 seconds. Not good enough. I need more time. Bro, my little character like the... Bro, I don't like how my character is staring at me right now in the shadow of his helmet.
Damn.
That's scaring me right now. The good ending.
Lucifer.
Yeah, we got the
Oh.
we got the good ending. I think our goal, I think for this video, I'm supposed to get all the good endings. Like all the endings in this level. There's 6 endings that said.
You have 15 seconds. What about everyone else? One of them's final 2 seconds.
All right, new. I'm gonna try dark mode this time. I'ma try. Not dying! 7121.
Holy shit, that one has some tacked out aim. What the fuck?
7121. Okay, I gotta remember that.
Oh, hi, yo, sick.
I'm sorry. I can't do anything. You coming near me, I'll fucking shank you too. I got a depleted energy sword.
Oh shoot, he gonna shank me, mate.
Yeah.
7, 1, 2, 1. No, 7, 1, 2, 1. Oh, got it. I got it. Which way should I go? Should I go left or right?
The reason I stopped reviving you because the fucking brute with a hammer came up to me.
Wait, which way he said? You said right? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Less and less experiments are beating the cube in under 45 seconds. Should we increase it to 60 seconds? Yeah.
Can somebody add a bot if you can?
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Done.
W.
Wait, need the key card. Got the key. You guys ready? I'm leaving.
Okay. What ending is this?
The freedom ending.
Oh.
Yeah, this is the last ending. I don't even know why I went this way. I just want coin. Next level. Alright, next ending. I swear, every time I get better and better at the game, I'm just gonna keep memorizing where I'm going. I just imagine myself as a person who's stabbing myself. I missed. Are you kidding me? Okay, there we go. The next ending's right here. Oh,
Uh-oh.
what the hell? What the? Oh my. Trapped ending.
Wait, this is a new ending?
Yeah, there's more endings in this level.
Oh.
I got the good ending, the freedom ending, and now I got the trap ending. How many more I got? I got like 3 more to do, and I don't even know what they look like. So 3 endings completed. Where do I go? Your soft locked restart. Oh my god, I had to restart that. So that was ending 3, so we gotta go find the other ones. So so how was your day? Hello?
Is he even here?
Wait, hold up. Oh, she's muted.
She dead.
Yeah, I think she died. Wait, am I even recording? Oh yeah, I am. I was just realizing that. I like the music. I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty catchy.
Yeah.
Time to get more endings. Let's see. We gotta find. Let's go. Let's enter that one code. 7121.
Oh, there's different codes for like every single
Nah, I don't think so.
ending. Oh.
Go through the room. What happens if you go this way?
Something will happen.
I don't think so. Why is my screen getting glitchy and wavy? Oh.
Yep, I told you something will happen.
Hey yo, bro, what the fuck? Oh, hey yo, I'm blocking
Turn
out.
around.
No, I must keep going. Oh, I'm dead. Blacked out. Hey, wake up.
Oh, what is
Are
this?
you there? It's my name is Dr. Bell. Insanity ending. Ending 4. Oh gosh.
Oh.
So we got the good ending, the freedom ending, the insanity ending, and the trapped ending. So that means we got 2 more endings. I wonder what they are.
Oh.
Oh wait, is there more endings we didn't not know about? Hold up, let me look this up. Next. Alright, let's find the next ending. There was another door in the when I was entering the other room. I'm gonna say this, but S over here got the great talent when I saw the art she did. I don't even know if it's a she.
It is a she.
Oh, that's all I needed to know.
That's all I needed to know.
Based me. Usually on holidays, I change my character into that holiday.
Oh.
Like for Valentine's Day, I would find an icon that looks like a Valentine's icon.
Alright.
Halloween, yeah, I already know the deal. I'm going with the original black, yellow, and white. Or black, red. I meant black, orange, yellow. Black, orange, black, and yellow, black, and yellow. Out of minute dancing out of it. Damn, say he you so. Oh, done. Already 19 seconds already. That was fast.
Nah, that's
I'm about to get a world record on this. So there was another door over here that needs a key card, so I wanted to check that out.
okay.
What's this?
Is it possible to not have a timer in
You're soft locked. Restart. Oh, I got the radio ending, radio room ending. That's the
Imagine it's ratio ending.
Oh my shut up. Oh, I'm supposed to beat the room. I'm supposed. Okay, to get the bad ending, you need to beat you have to get to that one room where you have to fit into the hole. But you gotta just. But in the fan level, you have to reveal something.
Oh.
So you have to like beat the room in under 60 seconds. That's a hint I just got. Okay, no wasting time. No!
Hey yo! What was that sign?
Oh no! Oh, it's too late. Oh, we're almost in. We're almost near. Yeah, we're gonna restart. Go for it. Jump. Boom. 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 Already on it. I'm already on it.
Oh, dang.
Oh, come on.
No! Hi, Astra.
Bro, what the fuck are you guys doing in here?
Oh, I'm just streaming.
Just playing find.
Oh, come on. Yes, yes, yes. Come on, come on, come on. I got it. I got it. I got it.
Bro, you can make a YouTube account.
I have to reveal that part.
Yeah.
50.
No!
Oh!
We gotta restart again, bro.
Press
No.
the button. Man.
We're trying to get all the endings right now, and the only ending we haven't got is the bad ending.
Get
Okay,
it
that
then.
was not a good start. Actually, never mind.
Come on, me. Come on.
Come on, me. Wait, what?
All right, all right. Maze. Okay. Gotta do it. Come on, come on, come on. Not wasting time right now. Oh yes.
Yo,
2, 8, 5,
get it.
3. There we go.
Got the code.
No, dude.
What I shot. Go. Come on, come on. Get 50, 51, 52. What are you doing?
Yo, let's go.
GG, boys.
Oh.
Oh.
This is a Mario 64.
Bad ending. Ending 2. Yes, I got all the endings. Let's go. Let's go.
Hey, I
Freaking
know that guy.
good ending.
W.
Oh my god, bro. I spent so much time to get this.
Why do I know all these people?
Oh my god, bro.
Astra, can you add a bot?
You know you could just
What?
add it yourself. You can add it yourself. You know that, right?
I can.
He's
I
not
lost my
mom.
I lost my